So this is our newest table. This is 53 inches in diameter. It'll sit 5 people comfortably, 4 if you like. It is stable, sturdy, has self-leveling, well, not self-leveling, but leveling feet on it with the black pipe legs. Definitely durable, structurally sound. Used a 16-ply Baltic birch plywood base for the epoxy top. There's 4 coats of epoxy resin on here, adding about a ½ inch of thickness on the top and all the way around the edge. You can see some beautiful edge work here. Gives that appearance of being solid marble. Gorgeous marbling lines in the top. And overall, very nice. So leveling out the feet is pretty easy. You can do it one of 2 ways. We have these floor plates on the bottom, but there's also floor plates on the top of the legs as well. So depending on how uneven your floor is, you can level them out fairly easily by just simply unscrewing either the top or the bottom. We have a nice cross X in the middle with a 4-way T there in the middle. Each pipe is coated in a black enamel for durability and longevity. They will not rust, and you can take the mop right up to it. The base is screwed into the top with a total of 16 screws, 4 for each leg. All the way along the edge, you can run your fingers over. It's nice and smooth. We do have it water sealed on the bottom as well, in case it's in a higher moisture area. The top is heat resistant up to 450 degrees, which is very nice. So you can take things right off of the oven, right off of the range, put it on the table without risk of damaging the table. It's dent resistant, impact resistant, scratch resistant. I know you're probably thinking, man, he's really trying to sell this. And you're right, I am, because I built it. And yes, I am wanting to sell it. This is the largest model of this particular style. I can do the top in almost any color you like, mimicking natural stone, marble, granite, quartz. Pretty much you name it, I can mimic it with the epoxy. It starts out clear, and it's like finger paint for adults. It's super fun, but it gives a gorgeous gloss finish. It's easy to wash, just some warm soapy water on a washcloth to wash it off, wipe it off, and there you go. You have a strong dining table, perfect for any kitchen. You can match your top to your counters and pull up a chair. So let me know what you guys think. We'll get some better view of this table up close and give those comments. If you'd like to order this particular table, it's going to run you $995 for this size. I also offer sizes 20-inch in diameter, 24-inch, 30-inch, 36-inch, and 42-inch in diameter. So that would be 2, 3-person, 4-person, and then 5-person round tables. So let me know what your thoughts are. Hit those comments, the likes, the shares, all the good social media stuff. If you know someone who is looking for a new dining table, send them my way. I'd love to work with them. Each piece is handcrafted. So let's get some closer up look at this table. All right, let's get a closer look at the top here. You can see that detail in the epoxy very nicely. And yes, it is high gloss. You can see the light reflecting. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That is just gorgeous. Check out this edge work coming down the edge like that, all the way around. See that nice copper veining right there comes all the way down, runs down and under the edge to mimic natural stone, marble. This particular finish is with an earth blue paired with a black marble, and then there is that copper vein through the middle. Now underneath here we have solid steel pipe with connectors, and then there is our floor plates. So if you're worried about the table tipping, you can always screw it down into the floor and mount it so it doesn't move, but you don't have to. And then they work really well for leveling out the table. And then as you can see right there, we have our mounting plate on the bottom, and we have 4 of those same floor mounts with 4 screws each. So let me know what you guys think on this table. If this is something you're interested in, get a hold of me, Holt's Custom Creations, Holt's Custom Countertops and Creations. And I'd love to hear from you. I can make it custom for you, various sizes, 20-inch, 24-inch, 30-inch, 36-inch, and 42-inch in diameter. This particular one is a special order item at 53 inches in diameter. And this particular one will run you $995. So let me know your thoughts, and looking forward to putting this in a home near you.